Jane Fonda has claimed men are trained not to be empathetic and emotional. The 80-year-old actress has been married 3 times in the past before dating Richard Perry from 2009 until last year, but she has insisted it hasn't put her off the idea of finding a man. She told the New York Post newspaper's Page 6 column, "I haven't given up on men, let's just fix them. They're trained not to be empathetic and emotional." The star also opened up on the #MeToo movement and insisted powerful men found to be abusing their role don't deserve to return to that same position. She said, "Bad guys shouldn't come back. Let them work at Starbucks. Poor top executive lost his job? Let him sweep floors until he learns. He doesn't belong in the boardroom. Plenty of women belong there." Jane recently claimed that her life was defined by the men around her, but when she finally started living for herself instead of aiming to please, she was able to be the person she was supposed to be. If you like and subscribe to our videos, there's a chance your favorite celebrity will follow you on Twitter. We can't prove that, but we're saying there's a chance.